Yeah.
My straight face.
What's going on, guys? Start this unboxing video right here.
Big heavy boxes.
So we'll let you guys know what it is here till we open this hoe. Oh, my dress over here. Shit. Niggas gonna come find me. Yeah, I'll let you do the honors, bro. Open up that box to show YouTube what's going on. Got that FRS over here. Looking dirty.
It's a nice hot piece.
I know, right? We're over here sweating. Hot. Screw, screw. Hey. I tell you, bro, it's a box inside of a box. Surprise, motherfuckers. Y'all thought that was it? Let's go, let's go, let's go. No, y'all can't wait to see what's in here.
Yeah, it's one of those videos.
They're gonna be lit.
It's one of those videos where it's 19 boxes. It gets smaller and smaller.
I know, right? There's gonna be nothing in there. You guys ready for this? Are y'all ready for this? Go ahead and show him, Mac. Go ahead and show him. Go ahead and show him. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Look at that. Look at that.
Yeah.
Hey, that hoe's lit, isn't it? Damn, that was fresh, fresh, fresh.
It's about 45 pounds.
Hey, you can bench press those. One on each side. Alrighty. I think we got one more in there.
Stay.
Ooh, little thing rolling? Is it rolling? Hey, it's so fresh. I don't think I have it on the light.
Hey, wait. Did you tip the UPS guy when he dropped this off?
Man, I didn't get to see him.
He had the boxes.
He rang the doorbell and he was gone.
You got a whole workout in, bro.
I don't even know how he did it, bro. I don't know. You can do it.
They put more tape on the inside.
There's another box. Damn, that shit's crazy. Boxes on boxes on boxes. Hey.
I don't know how to get in this.
Oh, this is number 4 too. We opened it in the right order. Yeah. Cling, cling, cling. Hey. These are 225s, by the way, for the people that know tires. 225s, 45s, 17s. Is it not opening?
No.
Yeah. I should just cut it through here, right?
I don't know if I'm gonna be able to take it out.
What was that way to... How did I open this one? Don't even remember. Oh, I gotta show you guys these gloves. By the way, getting sidetracked a little bit. Homeboy hooked it up. Even though I don't even play football, I was like, fuck it, I'll take them. These hoes are fresh though. These are the work gloves, you know, we're gonna use these later on today. When we put these rims on there. You know what I'm saying? Skirt, skirt.
Oh my god.
Another one.
See why the earth is dying. How many boxes do you need for all this? Fat, you gonna recycle these boxes, huh?
Bro, I'm about to go throw them in the garbage.
That part out.
Shit, nah, I'll cut it out. I don't want human resources or whatever coming after me. Man, it is hot though, like no joke. You ready, guys? You ready? Alright, we got all of them. Is he swole enough to get it? Is he swole enough to get it? Is he swole enough to get it? He ain't swole, bro. Come on.
Why do it have to be hot
He's
today?
struggling. He's struggling.
It's so hot.
You can do it. You can do it. Oh man, he's struggling, guys. Somebody come help.
I need some milk.
Somebody, please. Oh, that's so funny. Yeah, I'll hold it. Oh, there we go. He's about to bench press that one. All right, guys. So we'll be back. We're about to go put these tires on these wheels, on these tires. And then, we catch you guys later. You know the deal.